My cam, I saw that you guys were here. I just stopped by. I wanted to check out the building. You guys closed on this like 8 months ago? Just
Yeah,
28?
it was June of 2025.
Yeah, and this is 28 units in Montebello. The building was in really good shape. It was a fantastic operator that you guys picked it up from. And I know you guys have done quite a bit of work here too, on top of everything else. Kind of walk us through, let us know kind of some of the upgrades you did.
Yeah, we fully painted the entire building, including the garages. We put up new fencing around the front. We're putting an intercom system for the tenants. We redid all the garage gates. Had to update the electrical, thanks to the wonderful insurance companies out here in California.
Yep.
But besides that, it's going well. We have great tenants. We have an amazing agent that made us
Nice.
made the deal happen. And we're happy to be in Montebello.
So when you guys picked up the building, there were 5 vacancies.
Yep. Yeah,
On the
there was
property.
originally 5. The lender, which we got an assumable debt through Chase,
And that was at 3.65.
3.65 for another 2.5 years, approximately. The lender required them to lease out at least 2 of them, which they were able to do successfully before the end of escrow. And then within the first month,
The first month and a half, we had the other 3 rented out.
Quickly.
Really quick, yeah.
Yeah, and I know that your screening process now for tenants when they call in, it's much more effective.
we put a huge sign. There's a banner that Mike got with our phone number. We get probably 5 calls a day.
You still do?
We still do.
No, no way. Every day.
So if you have vacancies,
Yes. Let us know.
So you have this banner here. You're probably able to fill up some of the other units that you own in the area.
yeah, we have other units in Montebello. Luckily, they're pretty much all occupied right now. We have one in Norwalk, which is being shown today right after this. But besides that, it's going well. We're happy with the tenants. We're happy with the city.
Happy with our manager.
Yeah, we have an on-site manager that's been great.
Yeah.
We changed the process a little bit. The management was taking all the calls. That was probably one of the reasons we were able to switch up and get them filled out a lot easier. Is with the banner, it goes directly to Mike and I.
Okay.
We do the screening ourselves. We answer every single phone call, which is very important on
I
time.
mean, that's a lot of calls every
day.
day.
Every day.
So you guys write the numbers down, kind of store them to see if you have.
Well, it's through Google Voice.
Okay.
So it all get recorded. They can text us. We have a track of them, and we handle them.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. No, I saw the building looks fantastic. It was a very good building when you guys picked it up.
It was super clean. I'm not gonna lie,
Yeah.
but we just weren't a fan of the baby blue gray
The color.
tone. We wanted to give the tenants a new look, a new clean black and white. As you can see, it looks great.
Would you say with these upgrades, you guys have had more interest on the units?
It's funny you ask because, like you mentioned earlier, we have other buildings in the area, and when we did have vacancies in other locations, and I would offer it to them, they're like, no, we want the one on Garfield. We're like, okay, hang tight. Hopefully, hopefully not.
Yeah, hopefully not. If we get vacancies.
If we get vacancies, we'll be more than happy to. But it's always good to take care of your buildings, take care of your tenants, and keep them happy, as this is their home. And they want to feel safe, comfortable, and proud to live here.
I know this building when you guys picked it up, or initially we started talking about it. What was it about this one that kind of caught your attention?
Well, I grew up in Montebello, so I've had a good
Experience in the city.
experience in the city. My sister went to Shure High School. I went to Eastmont Elementary. It's close to downtown. It's not a part of the unincorporated or LA City, which is a little bit more lenient.
And you guys live in LA.
And we live in LA, and it's close enough to home, and we love the community. And I always tell Sean, whatever comes up, please let us know, and we love to continue to grow here.
Yeah, I'm glad you guys picked it up. It was kind of competitive, this deal, but the building is nice. It has a lot of presence, actually, when you drive by it, and the units are massive.
Yeah, they're
So,
huge.
I think when you have good location, good units, you're always going to be able to rent them.